India and Austria have elevated their cooperation ties to a strategic level, signaling new possibilities in several dynamic fields. India's Prime Minister and Austria's Chancellor held talks in Vienna. The Indian leader reiterated that this is not the time for war.
A friendship cast in stone, a bond which has weathered the test of time. And now India-Austria relationship has been elevated to a higher level with India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the Central European nation. In a historic visit, the first by an Indian Prime Minister to Austria in 41 years, both countries have agreed to elevate their ties to a strategic one with a 10-year roadmap. Prime Minister Modi and Austrian Chancellor held talks over several critical global issues.
हमने निर्णय लिया है कि संबंधों को स्ट्रेटेजिक दिशा प्रदान की जाएगी। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर विकास, इनोवेशन, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, हाइड्रोजन, वाटर एंड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, क्वांटम जैसे क्षेत्रों में एक दूसरे के सामर्थ्य को जोड़ने का काम किया जाएगा।
The two leaders discussed the Ukraine and West Asia conflicts and reiterated the need to establish peace through progressive talks.
मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि यह युद्ध का समय नहीं है। समस्याओं का समाधान रणभूमि में नहीं हो सकता। कहीं भी हो, मासूम लोगों की जान की हानि स्वीकार्य नहीं है।
India is the biggest democracy in the world, and therefore India's role, especially for Austria, is more than important when it comes to the peace process and future peace summits.
Prime Minister Modi also met Austrian President Alexander van der Bellen in Vienna. Both leaders held talks and discussed several issues of mutual and global interests. To further strengthen economic ties, Prime Minister Modi and Austrian Chancellor jointly addressed renowned Austrian and Indian CEOs at Roundtable Business Meeting in Hofburg Palace. Prime Minister highlighted significant potential for collaboration between Indian and Austrian companies in new and emerging technologies. Prime Minister also invited Austrian companies to invest in India. Earlier in the day, Prime Minister Modi was accorded a ceremonial reception at the Federal Chancellery in Vienna, Austria. PM comes at a time when both nations are marking 75 years of their friendship.
After this visit to Vienna, the relationship is supposed to get a quantum jump, and that is what these two leaders have talked about, and they've also offered to act as bridges of peace in wherever the world is in conflict, because that's something that the world doesn't need. It needs to move forward towards progress in a sustainable manner. This is Gautam Roy in Vienna, Austria for DD India.
Now, India and Austria are celebrating a significant milestone in their diplomatic relations. India and Austria are marking 75 years since the establishment of their bilateral ties. DD India's Meher Mercury gives you a comprehensive overview of India and Austria's multifaceted relations in the next report.
The world's fastest growing economy, India, and a key Central European player, Austria, are commemorating 75 years of bilateral diplomatic ties. Diplomatic relations between India and Austria were established in 1949, heralding a robust and amicable partnership founded on shared values of democracy and pluralism. India intervened in favor of Austria during its negotiations with the Soviet Union on the State Treaty of Austria that resulted in the independence of Austria in 1955. Against this backdrop, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Austria holds special significance, making him the first Indian Prime Minister to visit the country in over 40 years. India sees Austria as a strategic partner, presenting significant opportunities for cooperation in sectors such as infrastructure, renewable energy, high technology and startups. Now let's take a look at bilateral ties between India and Austria. 75 years of India-Austria ties. India-Austria trade is well balanced at around $3 billion each year. Indian exports to Austria stands at 1.52 billion USD. Imports from Austria stand at 1.41 billion USD. Indian investments in Austria amount to over 1 billion USD. Austrian investments in India are at over 800 million USD. Austria offers opportunities for collaboration in multiple fields ranging from infra to startups. India-Austria Startup Bridge was launched in February 2024. 20-plus Indian startups went to Austria in June this year to participate in a startup event. India-Austria also inked a landmark comprehensive migration and mobility agreement in May 2024. Indo-Austrian cultural relations have roots dating back to the 16th century. Teaching of Sanskrit at Vienna University started in 1845. The Indian Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore visited Vienna in 1921 and again in 1926. Even Indian artists, including Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, Zakir Hussain and Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia, have performed shows in Austria. Today, Austria is home to over 31,000 Indians, fostering robust people-to-people connections between the two countries. With Prime Minister Modi's historic visit, the Indo-Austrian relationship is set to make substantial strides across all sectors of mutual interest. Mihir Makori's report, DD India.